Hello students, today we will learn 4.2 linear equations. Linear equations, one variables, you look here. An equation has only one variables and only one solution. In these equations have only one variables. You know that variables x, y, z, m and o, okay, and only one solution. Only one solution, no other solutions. Okay, first I write here a standard form of linear equation, one variables ax plus b is equal to 0, where a coefficient of x and b constant, a and b a real number, where a does not is equal to 0, where a does not is equal to 0. So we take a next similar example with number. You can write here 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. You look here, a means 2, a means 2, a does not is equal to 0, here x coefficient 2 is not is equal to 0, where b is constant, you write here 4 also constant. You write here 2x plus 4 is equal to 0 for only one solution. I confirm only one solutions. You write here 2x is equal to, and transpose this number this side, transposed with minus charge, because here positive go here with negative charge. X is equal to minus 4 upon 2. This fraction is already divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. You get minus 2. This is root of x, only one solution, only one solutions, okay, no other solutions. You can show in number line 0 1 2 3 4. You draw more numbers for your requirement. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Your number x is equal to minus 2, and you show here in number line minus 2. Okay, this type you show in number line your linear equations, one variables, and you can solve this type. Okay, now we are going to linear equations, two variables. There were two variables in equations. You know that variables, here you present two variables in this equations. First I write here a standard form of linear equations, two variables ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is standard form linear equations, two variables. So I write here similar example with number 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. You look here, match a for 4 and b is 3 and c is also constant. You can say x coefficient 4 and y coefficient 3 and c also 2 constant. You write here a 4, b 3 and c is equal to 2. Okay, you can show the coefficient of x, y. Okay, you write one more examples, 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. You write here one more example, here no present constant, here no present c, only one two variable. You tell me what is coefficient of x and y? Yes, 1 1. Okay, we don't show this. Okay, now we are going to solve your first equations. First time we take this 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. You look here. First we take example. We write here, for a linear equations in two variables has infinitely many solutions. For checking. Now look here. You write here this equations, this form. You transpose value number 2 of this side. Here present plus, here present minus charge. Now write here 4x plus 3y is equal to minus 2, and you think in your mind x and y value. X and y value you put here and you get the same LHS, RHS and LHS. So I think put minus 2 and we take it to value x minus 2 and value y 2. You put here in this equations 4 multiply minus 2 plus 3 multiply 2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, 4 2s are 8 minus charge plus 3 2s are 6, you get minus 2, and you subtract here minus plus minus. Yes, you look here, similar number RHS and LHS. You can say RHS, LHS, similar. Okay, equal. That is, this root satisfy in this equations, and you search one more roots for this equations. So I search 1 upon 4 minus 1, same. Okay, same equations. 4x plus 3y is equal to minus 2. You write here 4 multiply 1 upon 4 plus 3 multiply minus, you write here clearly 3 multiply minus 1 is equal to minus 2. This cancel, you get 1, get minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Subtract here, minus 2 is equal to minus 2. You look here, you get a same value, and you look here a different root. This is satisfy of this equations because RHS and LHS same. Okay, I hope you search one more roots for this equations. You think in your mind root for this equations. I hope you can do it. Thank you.